The new WIKO Voice, designed with a big screen, dual cameras, and a large battery at a price point for everyone. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. Hey there, I'm Des for Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the newest phone from WIKO, the WIKO Voice. The WIKO Voice is built with a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. It's great for watching and streaming your favorite content. On the back of the phone, you've got a laser engraved texture and a nice metallic finish. This phone comes with a 3400 mAh battery, which charges with a USB-C type cable. Other specs include 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage. The WIKO Voice comes with a dual rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel secondary camera. On the front, you've got a 5 megapixel front-facing camera for your selfies. It runs Android 12 right out of the box and rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. Now inside the box, we've got the new WIKO Voice, quick start guide and SIM pin, wall charger, and USB-C charging cable. The all-new WIKO Voice, complete with a big screen, dual cameras, and a large battery at a price point for everyone. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can check out the new WIKO Voice at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.